From an awkward jumper to a franchise superstar. This is Tyrese Halliburton's evolution. Tyrese Halliburton wasn't the favorite coming into the NBA. Scouts questioned his skinny frame, his weird shooting form, and whether he could run an offense at the highest level. But once he hit the league, all doubts disappeared fast. With the Kings, Halliburton showed elite IQ, smooth playmaking, crafty finishes, and confidence beyond his years. Then came the trade that changed everything. Halliburton to the Indiana Pacers. In Indiana, he fully unlocked his game. Lightning-fast passes, deep, effortless threes, leadership and control rarely seen in young guards. He transformed into one of the NBA's best point guards, an all-star, Team USA member, and the engine of one of the league's fastest offenses. His jumper, still unique, but now deadly. That's Tyrese Halliburton's evolution, from overlooked draft pick to the superstar point guard of the Pacers.